Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you how to make mango mocktail. So let's beat the heat with refreshing summer drink. For that you need 1 mango, 9 to 10 mint leaves, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin seed powder, 1 lemon and soda water. So put mango slices, some ice cubes, sugar, black salt and cumin seed powder in a jar and make a pulp. After that, crush mint leaves and lemon slices with the help of muddler. Now take a glass, add some ice cubes, mango pulp and crushed mint and lemon slices. Add some soda water, mix it and garnish. Like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.